How to make a video collage on Instagram. Now, the first thing to do is to tap on your profile icon. And then you just have to click on this plus button right here. And then click on Reel. You just have to tap on camera. You'll be able to see some options right here like audio, filter right here. Now, the very thing that you need is this button right here, the layout button. So, as you can see, when we try to capture something, the camera is split into two. You can also choose some layout right here. You can choose this one, or you can probably choose this one. So now, you can individually record separate video within the same camera. So we just have to click on this to record. Now the next thing to do is to record something on the lower part right here. Say I want to record something like this. So as you can see, the layout has been made and it's like a collage of videos. You can also revid this if you want to change it into something like this. You can also revid this right here. So now we have a video collage on Instagram. We just have to click on check. And now you can directly post the reel that you have on Instagram. You can also edit it or download it directly. You can add music, text, stickers, filter, or voiceovers to your video. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!